Namaste everyone. Today I'm going to make a video on midpoint and trapezoidal sums. So let's start. Okay, approximate the area between f of x and the x-axis from x equals to -4 to x equals to 2 using a trapezoidal sum with 3 equal subdivisions. Okay, so they will have a delta x of 2. So this is the left boundary of the first trapezoid, and this is the right boundary of the first trapezoid and the left boundary of the second trapezoid. Okay, and this one is the next trapezoid. This one is the right boundary. Okay, so if you connect these, then this and this and this. Okay, so let's find the area of the all these trapezoids and then add them. So this is the first trapezoid, second trapezoid, and this is the third trapezoid. So let's see the area of the first trapezoid. Okay, let's see what it is equal to. Its area is equal to its height, which in this case is equal to delta x, which is 2 in this case. So 2 times f of the left boundary. So this will be times f of -4, f of -4 plus f of -2, f of -2. We can just solve this straightly. So this will be f of -4, as we know, is equal to just 2. F of -4 is just equal to 2 in this case. So this will be -2 plus f of -2 is equal to 6 plus 6. This thing will be divided by 2. 2's cancel out to form just 4. So this is the area of the first trapezoid. Let's find the area of the second trapezoid. It is equal to 2 times f of -2, as we saw in the previous case. It is equal to 6 plus f of 0, which is equal to 3 plus 3. So this will just be equal to, where did -2 come from? This was just f of -2. F of -2 is just equal to 6, and f of -4 is just equal to 2. This was positive 2, not -2. So this is just equal to 8, not 4. So this is just equal to 9. This you can divide by 2, so 2's cancel out. This is just, we are just left with 9. Let's find the area of the third trapezoid. It is equal to 2 times, and this will just be equal to 1, so we can ignore delta x divided by 2, and this thing will be times f of 0, which we saw is 3, plus f of 2, which we saw is 5. So let's add these are just 8. So let's add these. This is equal to 8 plus 9 plus 8, which is equal to 17 plus 8, which will be equal to 25. So the answer is 25. Let's check our answer. It is equal to 25. Let's check. Correct. Let's do next. Approximate the area between the x-axis and f of x equals to x minus 3 squared from x equal to 0 to x equal to 6 using a trapezoidal sum with 3 equal subdivisions. The approximate area is dash. So let's find this using how many? Using 3 equal subdivisions between 6. So each delta x will be equal to 2. So this is the right boundary of the first trapezoid. Okay, let's just make it a bit better. And this is the left boundary of the first trapezoid. And okay, so this is the right boundary of the second trapezoid. Okay, and this is the right boundary of the third trapezoid. Okay, so if we connect the dots, what will this become? This will just be like this and like this. This will actually be a type of rectangle, not a trapezoid. If you connect this, okay, so let's find the areas. Okay, so let's find. So first of all, we just have to see what delta x is equal to. delta x is just equal to, first let's just add all these areas. So this is just equal to delta x divided by 2. So okay, so this will be like this: delta x divided by 2, delta x divided by 2 times f of 0 plus, what will this be? This will be f of 2 plus the second trapezoid will be just plus another f of 2 plus f of 4 plus f of 4 again because of this trapezoid, this line, plus f of 6. Okay, so we close the brackets, and in this case the math is very easy because delta x is just equal to 2, so this is just equal to 1, so we can just cross that out and we just have to add these all. Okay, so what is f of 0? Here is the equation given, so let's just find it out. F of 0 is equal to 0 minus 3 squared. Negative 3 squared is just 9, so this is just equal to 9 in this case. F of 2 is equal to 2 minus 3 squared is equal to negative 1 squared, it's just 1. So okay, this is also equal to 1. 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus f of 4. What is f of 4? It is just equal to 4 minus 3 squared is just 1 again, and another one because of this, and last one f of 6 is just 3 squared is again 9. Okay, so let's add these all. 9 plus 1 is 10, so this is just equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is also equal to 10, and two ones are another left, so 22 is the area. 22 is the approximation of the area, so 22. Let's check our answer. Let's check x. So let's do next. Approximate the area between the x-axis and f of x from x equals to 0 to x equals to 9 using a trapezoidal sum with 3 equal subdivisions. Okay, so the approximate area is equal to, with 3 equal subdivisions, as we saw in this case, 3 equal subdivisions, so its delta x is just equal to 3 in this case. So this will be just 3 half times f of 0, which we saw is equal to f of 0, plus f of 3. We saw earlier that the first one is 1 and other one are just 2. f2 f of 3 plus 2 f of 6 plus f of 9s. So let's just solve this now. What is f of 0? It is just equal to 2. F of 3 is just equal to 5. 5 times 2 is just equal to 10. F of 6 is equal to 7 times 2 is 14. F of 9 is just equal to 11. Okay, so let's solve this now. What is this equal to? 14 plus 11 is just equal to 25. 25 plus 10 is just 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. 37 times 3 divided by 2. So what is this equal to? What is this equal to? What is 37 times 3? 37 times 3 is just equal to 111. So this is 111 divided by 2. Let's see if we have to solve in, okay, we just have to solve. Let's just write 111 divided by 2. Divided by 2. So let's check our answer. Correct. Approximate the area between the f of x and the x-axis from negative 3 to 3 using a midpoint Riemann sum with 3 equal subdivisions. From negative 3 to 3 using 3 equal subdivisions. So this is just equal to 3 equal subdivisions, so this will be 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so delta x is equal to 2 in this case, so let's check our answer. So this is the, oops. So this is the right boundary, but we have to find according to the midpoint boundary. So this is the midpoint boundary of this one. and we just join it, so this will be a rectangle. So this is one rectangle, this is one rectangle. Let's find the second rectangle according to the midpoint. Midpoint is over here, so this is its height. So this is rectangle number 2, and this is rectangle number 3. This one is rectangle number 3 according to the midpoint Riemann sums. Okay, so let's just find out the area of these. So its height is according to the -2, so this will just be equal to 6 times, so this will be 6 times 2. So this is just area of the first rectangle is just equal to 12 because it is 6 times 2 plus, and the area of the second rectangle is just equal to, okay, so this will be 2 times 2, it is equal to just 4, it is just equal to 4. Okay, so let's write 4 over here, and the area of the third rectangle is just equal to, this is the height is equal to 5, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 10 is 26. So this is equal to, the area is equal to 26. So let's check. It was 28 because it we just multiply 2 times also it. Okay, so it was 28. Let's see this again. 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 10 is 26. Okay, so this one, the first one, its area is equal to 6 times 2 is negative is 12. 12 times this one, it was 3. 3 times 2 is 6. I put 4, so this was just 6. Okay, 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 plus 10 is, so this will be 28. Let's check. Okay, so this was the midpoint and trapezoidal sum. So bye everyone.